What it do, my life squad? It's your boy Stank 815, and I'm back with another video. Y'all new to the channel, man. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, share, comment, get notified when I drop these videos. I'm up here, man. Y'all see it, getting the first oil change and Cardi B. Yeah, that's right. I'm getting the first oil change, and we're getting number 93 right there. That's what type of oil we're getting, y'all. We only got to put the best in here, man. We got to make it happen, man.
Hey, AJ. What up? Guys, I'm literally doing everything I can. They won't, now they're trying to say that.
Exactly. Do more.
Look, they're trying to tell me we don't have an AT&T phone. I've got an AT&T phone.
Yeah, y'all already know, squad. We definitely got to keep the car upgrade, man. I don't know what's the plans for the night, man, but we definitely got some plans for the night. So we're gonna see. Hold on. Taking off the filter. The filter actually look clean. Filter don't look that messed up. Yeah, so you're getting right at AutoZone. Y'all already know, man. You gotta make sure you keep your car maintained the proper way. You know, you can't be lollygagging when it comes to the cars. You definitely gotta make sure you keep them fixed. Definitely gotta make sure you keep them well maintained.
Right there.
But yeah, you see it. We up here. Getting the change.
Yeah, I got some for like 40. And then what city are you located on?
Oh yeah, hey, speaking of scat, I'm probably gonna race that scat tomorrow. With the gold wheels? Yeah.
I got a scat you can race.
What was that?
I got somebody you can race. I got somebody you can race. I got somebody you can race. It's a scat too.
We can race.
No, I ain't talking about mine. I got a scat you can race.
We can race that scat.
Okay. I'm gonna give you my. Hey, squad. I done came up here and I done found somebody that want to race, y'all. Now, y'all know when we do these races, we go on YouTube. So yeah, we got a challenger, man. I'm definitely gonna give him my information, y'all. Listen. I'm still building my car, squad.
What's done to that scat? What's done to that scat?
No, there's some stuff done to it.
Alright. If way more's done, I'm gonna have a Corvette race him.
It's done. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's done. It's,
Scat?
yeah, it's
Corvette's done too.
pushing some horses. I actually got one. He just gonna let you know. He ain't gonna tell you what all done. He just gonna tell you he got a supercharge put in it. He ain't gonna tell you what up, but
I got somebody for a supercharger.
you got one.
BMW 335R.
Nah, I don't mean nothing. Hey, I'm in a car club, boy. They got some stuff in this club, I'm telling you. They got one pushing almost over 1,500 horses. We got a challenger, y'all. We got a challenger.
It's never just like a 99 career.
You hear that?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a lot more. Hey,
Go get my bike.
Everybody. BMW 1000 RR, I'm gonna run everybody. Then what? Then what?
Okay, he talking YouTube. You hear him?
Then what?
He talking big to the YouTube, man. We got him. We got him on my YouTube channel. He talking. He talking, y'all. Y'all already know. He said, anybody want to he said, put up or shut up. He bringing the BMW bike out, man. But my man right here said he got something for us, y'all. So we definitely going to leave him the information, man. I'm going to try to set it up. Even though, squad, my man said he don't retire from racing because he's 70 years old. So he did say he quit racing his scat. But I'm going to try to bring him out of retirement, man. I'm going to try to make this happen for y'all. Because y'all already know. Dang. I should have pulled this off and got this down. But yeah, I came up here to get my oil change, man, and now I ran into the guy talking big, man. He said he want to race. He want to race me. He said he want to race me, man. Trying to get it right, man.
Let's go one behind one. Yeah, ready? One.
That's a combo, too.
You want this?
A full serve, pass over. That's the whole front bumper on the road.
Nah, I think it's there. He has more. It's a multi-million company. He has more than that.
Yeah, we up here, man. They talking big, man. They getting me right, though. While they talking big, they definitely getting me right. Yeah, squad. Y'all already know it's your.
My car's under construction right now.
All right, that's cool. I gotta try to bring him out of retirement. He's 70 years old, so he said he quit racing. But I'm gonna try to bring. I'm telling you, my life squad. Y'all already know it's your boy Snake 815, and I'm back with another video. Sorry about the video got interrupted, but I'm still up here with my man right here. I'm definitely gonna drop him the information, man. We're gonna try to lock it in and make something happen, man. There's gonna be a friendly race if it do happen, or even if it don't happen, man. Maybe I could get him to blog his car, man. Show y'all what type of car he got, what type of vehicle. Let y'all know a little information about his vehicle. Y'all already know what we do, squad.
He's down there with us at skate play. When he's done with that, he's gonna hop up there and guide. Anything else I can help you with?
Nope.
Alright, cool. You know how to reset the oil light, right?
Nope.
Or oil percentage stuff. Just leave your foot off the brake and hit the push start button real quick.
You
It's gonna
said.
be installed on two.
You said what?
One more time.
Hold up. What you want me to do?
Leave your foot off the brake and hit the push start button. Off the brake. Hit the push start button. One more time. One more time. Now hit the gas pedal all the way to the ground 5 times.